yes, Sumo.
Yes, Swami Radi.
And you may yakin cancer, no. Your my sister Paulina and a day after.
You may yakin cancer, no. You better free. Abus chapter.
Hey, babe. Sister Paulina, we reading glasses here, China, Hebrews.
Hey, madam.
Agyapong. Tina tet Hayan herbal capsule. A drawing tina per what to send me. Me ready a mention glasses. Oh, Brody Bessie, see clear.
Hey, no crow. Tinatet Hayan herbal capsules. A full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
A drawing baby atwa for Tina tet herbal shop. Hey, now why? Tina tet Hayan.
See clear.
Tinatet Adroy, FDA, Ashishim Agyapong se
When is coming? When is coming? When is coming is doing. Hey. See the way Montreal to make one 7 sana de achi Ghana. Obi an kan bro for more on Facebook ya Montreal to say I say when is coming is doing.
This is a police warehouse we're robbing. I don't think this is a good idea.
I respect everybody. But nobody can be contracted to fuck up. You just write this message down. One chair on a book in Agyapong, mommy. Safon na 2, one chair, mommy. I can't chair and say, Obofour so chair. Na one chair justice Kwaku na mommy. My name is the Great Lion. Chiano mommy. But Kwaku na de mon chiano 3 times. So me chiano. O chiano no buzana say why now? Hey. Obi anchuro to us. I say when is coming is doing. And Ghana very soon will know the great people and the fakest ones in the country. I swear my dad's grave. I'll come back on air again. If Papa compare Kumichia, baby, I will be a Rev Obofour. I'll respect you till I die. Mobi an refi, se me se mon chair justice Kwaku na 2 emami. I am the king of the night. I will forever defend my title. I will never die as a coward. I still remain the 3 years innocent. and the time will tell. Kabarasi Sansara. People should remember the days of Hot FM. I said this time, even if I die, I'll defend my title. I will defend my title. Nobody can finish the unfinished business for other people. We are all Ghanaians. I rest my case. Send my greetings to Honorable. Mechia Honorable Agyapong. My right is a Mechiano, or a member of parliament. Honor is coming, is doing. I rest my case. I will never die as a coward. When Chia Ulumama me send the basi or Chiano. Na Mochiano ba kwa Monchia kwa na miensa. Before 12 o'clock Ghana time. We shall see. Good luck, my country. I love Ghana. City women kwanam tiasie. Oh God. And who jobless? No one cares. Ubia ntimi nkoshe panimu bi achi wo Ghana ever finishing agenda. Assure my dad's grave. I will never close my mouth. I will never shut up again. Your pema se won koso pema se min kamanu ntumu biem. The vengeance is for the Lord. Mese monchia be papa ke na Agyapong ma me na monchia kokwa na justice kokwa na the 2 monchia na 3 times. Machia na sa echo 15. Let's finish the day. You ask bibi anko kan papa enye gerede. Maybe you must I'll come back on air.
Am I a sumo?
Yes, Mama Rade.
And you may a king cancer. No, you my sister Paulina and a day after.
You may a king cancer. No, you better free. Abus chapter.
Hey, babe. Sister Paulina, we reading glasses here, China, Hebrews.
Hey, madam.
Agyapong. Tina tet hayan herbal capsule. A drawing tina per what to send me. Me ready, I mention glasses. Obrodi Bessie, see clear.
Ayano Crow, Tinatex Hyan Herbal Capsules, a full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
A draw baby atwa for Tinatex Herbal Shop. Hey, now wait. Tinatex Hyan.
See clear.
Tinatex FDA ahwehwem Agyapong se